man apply like when
Yeah, what style man for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean I say yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
What's good viewers and subscribers from the here device, you know it's a boy Soji TV Entertainment, you know. And me I say Moyann, big up your damn self, you know, mama. You see me, Jahshii, up, you know. Viewers and subscribers, Jahshii and Moyann drop a song titled How We Are Live. And me I say, yo, it's a good look. You see how young artists them just a find them one another and a do some bad collab and send it out for the world, for listen and see it, you see it. No joke, and Soji TV Entertainment love that, you see me. So you see for that, you know, Soji TV I say, yo, viewers and subscribers, go over Moyann Vivo and go subscribe to Moyann Vivo, make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment send him over there. And want to go over Jahshii Vivo and make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment send him over there. You see it? No joke. First Nation, I do it, you know, man. And me I say, you can't see them things that go on and not give the support. Viewers and subscribers, me make you listen some more right song because the song bad, me I tell you no. And you need to go watch a video and listen it on yourself too and get to know understanding. And see me? No joke. How we are live. Yes man, some people will see how we are live, man, cause enough of them not happy to see how we are living. And me I said that song is produced by DJ Frost Records, you know. So DJ Frost, big up yourself, you know. Yes man, you know Soji TV Entertainment there, you know. You don't know say from the artist them a go on good, you know, man. Soji TV have work for do. Yes man, so I want the viewers and subscribers them to subscribe. You see me? Share, like. Yes man. Tell a friend, if you tell a friend say Soji TV over here I do some bad review about the artist them. They must tune in and give me support, you see me? Nah, my lord, man. That's all me ask you for, you know. So you just there I say, yo, wanna go over Moyann and Jahshii Vivo and go give them the support. His song title How We Are Live and his song upon Moyann Vivo, you see me? So go over Mama Vivo and make sure you know say, yeah man, a Soji TV Entertainment sending over there, you see me? I want you guys to just be careful in the weather you see me and travel safe and take time drive on the road, you see me? Yes man. Yes man, so may I say, I appreciate you all and thank you for watching. You see me, and please remember to like, share, subscribe to Soji TV Entertainment. Have a nice day now.
Your belly like the pedal and speed off.
My pussy jump when it tired them.